Northwest Industries Limited, Canada's most modern, independent aircraft maintenance, repair, and overhaul center. Part of the CAE family of Canadian-owned companies. Preparedness. It has always been an important word, but today it is a vital one. We live in a space age, a jet and rocket age, an electronic age where the distance between here and the moon may depend upon the distance between two wires in a gyroscope controlling the flight of an Apollo spacecraft. But preparedness doesn't apply to just spacecraft or to IBM systems. Every piece of equipment, every aircraft must be ready to do its job and meet the challenge of reliable, safe, and dependable daily service. Not only does the safety and protection of the nation depend upon it, but also the lives of many individuals. Often the state of preparedness of an aircraft depends upon its state of reparedness. Equipment, like people, suffers the rigors of daily operation, and tiring with age, it periodically needs to be overhauled in order to continue the fulfillment of increasing demands. That is our job at Northwest Industries Limited. We repair and overhaul aircraft and components for the Canadian Armed Forces, and also service the needs of commercial aircraft operators. It is a stimulating, exciting job, also an exacting and demanding one. There is no room for error, and long ago, we learned that you cannot shortcut in this business. It takes the right equipment and the best engineers and technicians, guided by experienced management, and molded into a team of people and machines dedicated to perfection. We are proud of the fact that from humble beginnings at Blatchford Field in Edmonton in 1943, Northwest Industries has maintained such a team. In early 1983, we recognized the need to keep pace with maintenance demands of the higher performance and larger aircraft now in service. We relocated our operation to larger, more modern facilities at the Edmonton International Airport. Here, we occupy two hangars, the largest of which can accommodate a Boeing 747 aircraft. In this facility, which effectively combines hangar floor space with side shops and departments involved in technical and administrative support, we have assembled an experienced team which is second to none in our branch of the industry. In the field of airframe maintenance, we are completely equipped to inspect, repair, overhaul, and modify structures and control systems. This service covers all aspects of the work, from the detection of defects through to the design and installation of repairs and modifications. Our side shops are equipped for non-destructive testing, sheet metal fabrication and repair, welding, cadmium plating and alloydizing, aluminum alloy and steel heat treating, manufacture of fluid and air lines, manufacture of control cables, hydraulic component overhaul, manufacture of electrical wire harnesses, hydrological component assembly and testing, avionics equipment testing, instrument overhaul, The instrument laboratory, which incorporates a clean room environment, so vital to such an operation, is used for the repair, overhaul, and testing of a variety of aircraft instruments and electrical accessories. We are also proud of our accomplishments in the complete rewiring of aircraft electrical systems. This involves the removal of all existing wire harnesses, the fabrication of new wire harness assemblies, and the installation and testing of these new harnesses in the aircraft. All new wire harness assemblies are fabricated in our harness shop. Our engineering department combines its expertise with the shops in the design and the installation of mechanical and avionics systems modifications, one example of which is the recently completed installation of an integrated flight system in Canadian Armed Forces Falcon 20 aircraft. A key element of our ongoing product support is the role performed by our technical publications department. Our experienced staff of researchers, writers, illustrators produce publications through all stages, from initial research to final text, artwork, and printing. While the majority of technical publications are produced in support of aircraft programs, the department also offers comprehensive service to commercial customers for industrial documentation and artwork. All manufacturing, repair, and overhaul operations and related services furnished by the company are maintained under close surveillance by the Quality Control Department. The company's quality system is approved by the Department of National Defense to AQUAP 1 level, and similar approvals are also held with Transport Canada and major commercial prime contractors. This system, in both practical and economic terms, continues to be a prime consideration in the granting and maintenance of company operating approvals associated with government and commercial agencies. Qualified inspection staff are stationed throughout the company's facilities to ensure that the highest quality standards, consistent with customer requirements, are maintained during all work phases. We share with our customers the firm belief that quality will never go out of style. All measuring and test equipment in use by operators and inspectors is checked and calibrated at specified intervals to ensure continued accuracy, the basis of which is traceable to the National Bureau of Standards. The Quality Control Laboratory maintains a continuous monitoring and testing program in support of the company's special process operations such as heat treating, plating, alloydizing, painting, and cable swaging. Company NDT technicians and supervisors hold Canadian government certification in radiographic, ultrasonic, magnetic particle, liquid penetrant, and eddy current categories. The pre-planning and performance monitoring of all programs undertaken by the company is carried out by the Production Control Department, which utilizes industrial engineering techniques to ensure efficient workflow and on-time delivery of all products and services. Timely material support is ensured by our experienced team of purchasing and store staff. Major repair and overhaul programs currently in-house include the depot-level inspection, repair and life extension of T-33 aircraft, and outer wing replacement and structural repairs for C-130 aircraft. Northwest Industries Limited has maintained a long-standing association with the Canadian Armed Forces for third-line maintenance and modification work. Current examples of this type of close relationship are the fleets of T-33, C-130, and CL-41 Tudor aircraft, including the Snowbird aerobatic display group. major programs carried out on the C-130 Hercules aircraft over the last 25 years have included fly-in repairs, center wing replacement, outer wing repair, modification, and replacement, fuselage structural modification, avionics systems modifications, and the design and installation of conversion modules for the navigation training and search and rescue roles. The depth of experience gained over this long association with the Hercules has enabled the company to attract third-level maintenance work for a variety of commercial and foreign government operators. The growing list of customers who have benefited from this support include Pacific Western Airlines, Quebec Air, Alaska International Airways, Northwest Territorial Airways, and the governments of Norway, Chile, Bolivia, and Mexico. Many of these Hercules projects have included requirements for complete paint stripping and repainting of the aircraft. In recognizing the growing demand for this service, the company recently converted a part of its hangar facilities into an environmentally controlled paint shop, one of the few in the business which can accommodate aircraft of this size. In addition to work carried out in the main plant, the company extends its third-line maintenance support to the Canadian Armed Forces by providing mobile repair parties to various locations across Canada. Resident repair parties are maintained at the Canadian Forces bases at Namao and Cold Lake, Alberta. Mobile repair parties continue to cover both short and long-term demands on C-130, T-33, Tudor, and CF-5. And more recently, Northwest Industries Limited became the first Canadian subcontractor to provide this type of support for the newly acquired CF-18 fleet. The company's staff of specialists are experienced problem solvers whose first objective is to obtain a complete understanding of the needs of its clients. To this objective are applied the total design, planning, and performance capabilities of the engineering, production, and technical publications teams to produce the answers fully, accurately, and on time. Every client can expect and will receive this total service. The company's reputation for expertise, quality control, and getting the job done on time is recognized in the industry. We have consistently met high performance standards set by the Canadian Armed Forces, Transport Canada, Department of Defense Production, and leading commercial prime contractors. Northwest Industries Limited has benefited from a number of major long-term contracts and is looking ahead to further growth. The company is proud of its solid achievements of the past and present, and is ready to adapt its capabilities to meet the fresh challenges of the future.